Hello guys, I'm again with you with that vending machine I told you I was going to show you how to make. So, let's get started. What you're going to start out with is a 4x4 square piece. Get a 2x3 flat. I'm not going to explain all the pieces, just the beginning. So, let's get started. I ain't gonna go into fast forward for this, so y'all can actually see how to build it. Also, if y'all want to see me do a live stream, then I need to get up to at least 1,000 subscribers. What I'll do on this live stream is take in donations to be able to buy Lego sets, and I will also have people give me suggestions of what Lego sets to get and build. So if you want to have a part in letting me know what kind of sets you want me to build for next time, then just go ahead, subscribe to me, and it'll be one step closer. So if you could subscribe to me, just go down there, hit that little subscribe button. Might even take maybe 10 seconds. Once you get that done, hit that bell notification. It'll tell you whenever I'm making a new video that's better, a new and better video of the future. Those are always good. So if you want to have suggestions on what kind of Lego sets I build in the future, or what kind of things you want to see me build, subscribe to me. And whenever I start doing live streams, join in on the live streams. If you want to, then you can donate to me. It'll be one step closer to being able to get the Lego sets y'all suggest whenever you do. So, if you want to see me build Lego sets that y'all suggest, subscribe and get me one step closer to being able to do live stream. So let's get back to the machine. Once you get it to look like this, if you're paying attention, your machine's basically done. Now, what you're going to do is get little things to put inside of it. This is from a Lego set. If you want to get all the correct pieces and the stickers, this goes to the Lego Friends Cupcake Bakery. Then just do that about 2 more times. Just make 2 more. You'll top it off. And it's a perfectly working cupcake machine. And then you can fill it up as many times as you want. So that's the end of that. So keep in mind, if you want to have suggestions for what kind of Lego sets you want me to build in the future, just leave a comment down in in the comment section below. And if you want me to do live streams, say to where you can tell me live what you want, then just subscribe. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. And if you can, hit that bell notification down below so you can be notified whenever my newest and best videos come along. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.